Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Pretty cool graphic made with the letter L. Pretty easy. I even used Arial. I'm going to shift select a letter and make it capital, or put on the caps and hit L. I'm going to make it larger. I'm going to make it bold, so it's a little thicker. I'm going to go to object and convert it to a curve. I'm going to left click, right click. And from here, you could make it even bigger or smaller or whatever. I actually am going to flip it, so I've got it over here. Now it is a curve, so we can do things with it. But first, I'm going to take a 3-point curve line and go from that node about right there and make a curve, much like I did there. Now it is a curve now, so I can take the individual nodes and go to Windows, Dockers, and Corners. And I'm going to select that, and I'm going to go 1.2. I'm just trying to kind of match that same curve. 1.2. 1.2. That's it. That's all we have to do. Let's get rid of that one. Let's use, and I could have made this a little thicker. You know, the lower part of the letter was not as thick. Interactive or Smart Fill tool and fill those in. I normally use black, but in this case, I'm going to get and I've been using the hotkey G to get the interactive fill tool. I'm going to go down and I'm going to use that light blue on this side. Maybe even make it a little bit lighter blue. I don't know why that white's there. Thought I filled it in. Let's make that blue too. Doesn't really matter because we can double click on it with, well, anyway, you make it disappear. Now we're going to take, I'm going to hit G on the keyboard, and I'm going to go ahead and put a little darkness. You know what? What if it, no, I'm going to make it dark. Maybe that's too dark. Now, group it together, Control G. I don't really know the best way to do this, but I'm going to hit Control D to make it duplicate. I'm going to rotate it a negative 90 degrees. And I'm just going to kind of set them pretty close. And then I'm going to hit the letter B, which for bottom, and put it straight. Now I'm going to group this together, Control G. While holding down the control button, I'm going to mirror it. I didn't make a duplicate. Control D while holding down the control button. And if you need it perfect, so we're going to mirror that. And I need to put this kind of in the middle, so you almost have to ballpark it. And this is where you could use your nudge factor 0.01. And let's zoom in here. Now I need to separate them too, but I'm trying to get them almost perpendicular to each other. And then I'm just going to move it down about the distance I had between the two. Now to make it look a little spectacular, Control G to group it, rotate it 45 degrees, 45, Doug, and put a black box around it. Easy with the letter L. Anyway, hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.